It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.